Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to TechVerse, where we explore the latest tools and updates to make your tech life easier. Today, we're diving into Battery Flyout for Windows 11, a game-changing app that's just received a major update. If you've ever wondered about your device's battery health, charge cycles, or how to extend its lifespan, this is the app for you. Battery Flyout now features a brand new battery report button, conveniently located in the bottom right corner of your screen. With just one click, you'll unlock a treasure trove of information. Detailed battery properties, health status, personalized charging recommendations, and even energy-saving tips to keep your device running longer. But that's not all. The app also provides practical advice like adjusting power modes, reducing screen brightness, and switching to dark mode. Perfect for OLED displays. Plus, you can save your battery reports as XML or HTML files for future reference. And for those using ARM64 devices like the Surface Laptop 7 or Surface Pro 11, the update now supports the Power Slider feature. Priced at just $2.99 in the Microsoft Store, Battery Flyout is a small investment for a big return in battery efficiency. So, what are you waiting for? Download Battery Flyout today and take control of your device's battery life like never before. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights from TechVerse. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more tech tips, tricks, and updates, subscribe to TechVerse and join our growing community. See you in the next video.